In the Module 2 assignment, we're going to continue to build your Excel skills. And in this assignment, we're going to get into something very important in business analytics that'll help you be data savvy. Whenever you get data, you need to dig into it and do descriptive analytics. And that's what we're going to do here. Again, we've got the fast technology scenario. You download the workbook and you do your Excel work in that. And then we get into the actual assignment again. Scroll down, talking about some hyperlinks. And then we get into the task. And as last time, we've got the steps numbered and we've got how-to videos showing you how to accomplish what you need to do to be successful on the assignment. And you just work through just like last time. Some basic stuff, but it's building knowledge as you go. We're going to do something called conditional formatting, which is a very powerful way, again, to help you communicate your results. And also, when you reuse a workbook after you've been away for a while, that formatting will help you understand what's going on. We'll build a chart, a graph using Excel, and we'll learn how to format it to make it more effective. Then we go into the next phase in this assignment, and we're building a little more complexity. We're going to be doing some analyses of data for Connie Smith, your boss, and you just follow the steps. We walk you through building your skills as you go. And we have a bunch of intermediate calculations. We build a nice area chart here, again showing you how to do it, step by step by step. And as always, if you hit a snag, reach out and ask for help, either to your other classmates in the discussion module or to your instructor. But don't struggle. Don't spend a heck of a lot of time on these assignments. Reach out and get help. Next phase, we're looking at market share, a little more sophisticated graphs, a little more sophisticated calculations, but we're building your skills. Last part, we get into a very useful capability of Excel called pivot tables. Very, very powerful. And this is just an introduction to what you can do with pivot tables. It's a skill. If you get into Excel in the future, knowing pivot tables will really be helpful to you. So this is a good get your feet wet on pivot tables. And then finally, we're going to build a basic dashboard using Excel, something that is very popular today and you will find useful, I'm sure. And remember to reach out for help if you hit a snag. See you in the next module.